welcome back to a new episode of Tummy Hunt. Today we're gonna make 4 different type of tropical juices. Let's get into this. Mango and kale juice. Now dice some mangoes and put them in your blender. Add a few slices of ginger and then add some kale leaves. Now add 4 cups of water, more or less, depends on how you would like it. And just blend it up. And now you can decide if you want to add sweetener. I'm adding a bit of honey. If you don't have honey, you can add a bit of sugar to the taste that you want, or you can just leave it as it is. Now we're just gonna strain it and get rid of any of the excess bits of kale that wasn't blended out fully. Pineapple and sweet cherry juice. Gonna add our bits of pineapple, then add some cherries. This is about 2 cups of cherries and ginger and another 4 cups of water. And then we're just gonna blend it all together. Once again, you can add honey or sugar if you want. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of sugar. Just gonna blend it some more, and we're going to strain out the cherry seeds. Carrot juice. Peel and boil your carrots until they are tender, then remove it from the stove and just pour it in your blender after it cools a bit. Now we're gonna blend it for a bit, and after that we're going to sweeten it with a bit of condensed milk. Now let's strain the carrot juice. Passion fruit juice. We're going to add about 1 dozen passion fruit into our blender, a bit of ginger, and 4 cups of water. Now we're going to blend that some more, and then we're going to sweeten it with 1/4 cup of sugar. You can add more if you want. Strain out the juice once you are done. There you go, guys, for tropical fruit juice recipe. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles!